Hey guys, this is how to change username on Bluesky app. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply open up the Bluesky application into your device. And after that, make sure to log in into your account. And after that, just simply go to your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. So guys, as you can see, my current username is Hero. So just simply tap on edit profile on the top right over here. And now you should be able to change your display name over here. And once you are done, you can just simply tap on save on the top right corner. And from there, you should be able to change your display name. Now, if you want to change your handle, as you can see, my handle is best online tutorial. Just simply go ahead and go to the home and tap on the three lines at the top left corner and go to the settings. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the account. And from here, just simply tap on handle and you should be able to change your handle over here. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.